Okay, everyone, I am back. And this is Tarek from SerenDB. We're going to do a quick 10-minute video on introducing you to how to use your Claude, Codex, and Gemini subscriptions in Seren Desktop. And the reason why we are offering this to folks is that those who have Claude Cowork cannot use Codex or ChatGPT subscriptions in your Claude Cowork. You can only use Claude. And so you can't take advantage of Codex 5.4, which is excellent, and you can't take advantage of Codex 5.5, which is now the newest models. So if you're a knowledge worker and you are able to afford the 20, 25 bucks a month for Codex, and of course the 20 bucks a month for Claude, you want these two options at the same time, because especially when you run out of credits or you're unable to use Claude because you've run out of time, you want to be able to switch to Codex. And for most of our customers, this has turned out to be a reason why they like SerenDesktop. It's kind of wild, but it's because you can use multiple different agents with with your multiple subscriptions. You can even use Gemini with Claude Desktop. So SerenDB, we're a database company in the new age of AI. As a database company, we're giving you an AI agent called SerenDesktop. To get SerenDesktop, all you need to do is click on install, and you should be able to download SerenDesktop for your computer. We recommend downloading the desktop version versus local AI agents because I don't keep up the local AI agents version up to snuff. And also security. So download either Mac, Windows, or Linux, and you should be good to go. When you run SerenDesktop on your computer, you will get to see what SerenDesktop looks like here. And I'm just going to give you the bare bones. You don't have to sign in. You don't have to have an account to take advantage of this feature. You can just download SerenDesktop. SerenDesktop is free. And to start the agent, you just go to click New. And of course, we could make it much easier. We can do so much cool stuff. But for now, we'll just click on New. So you'll see a dropdown. The dropdown will have the Seren agent, which means that you will need to sign in if you do not want to use a subscription and you want to pay for tokens via API. Use Seren agent. We have hundreds of models. But again, this video is for those of you that have Claude, Codex, and Gemini subscriptions, and you want to use them interchangeably. So we're going to just quickly click on Claude agent. Now, my system already has Claude agent installed, so I am cheating. I'm not giving you the real experience because, as you can see, my Claude agent started up very quickly. If you are doing this for the first time, you will see a green bar at the bottom, and I should show you that, so I apologize, where you see Claude agent asking you to log in. That's the only difference. You'll see a login prompt, and I know I should give you a login prompt, but it's now 12, nearly 1 a.m. in the morning, and I want to get this video out so that you can get to take a look at it. But you will see a login prompt. You follow the instructions to log in. It will be in your command line, and you could go. Once you get it and Claude agent starts, we give you multiple options for the models to run. We usually set the default to Opus 4.6. A lot of people have been complaining that 4.7 is more expensive, it's not as great. So we're using 4.6 with its 1 million token context. The default is going to be Opus 4.7. You can always switch to the default anytime you want. We also recommend that you bypass permissions. This is not usually set. It's usually set to accept edits, but we recommend bypassing permissions, and we recommend thinking to be extremely high. We've tried doing low, medium, and high thinking. If you want to get the most output and the most productivity for your LLM, you have to go X high. It will consume more tokens. It will be the most expensive, but you need to go for it. Now, once you get that fired up, you just crawl back all the way up with your mouse, click on New again, and now you can start your Codex agent, right? So you get your Codex subscription, 20, 25 bucks a month for Pro. I have the same. Run it, and it will see starting. And once it starts, it will prompt you to log in. You will see a login. As long as you have your login, it will prompt you. I have some security here because Codex likes to use Git remote. So I'm just going to tell Codex, yep, we're going to allow that for now. And once we get past that, you can get to Codex, right? I'll just go quickly here. Codex starts off with the default is GPT 5.4. GPT 5.5 was announced today, so we will be updating this so that it makes sure that it pulls GPT 5.5 as well. Auto, we recommend using auto, not suggest. And of course, for thinking, I will say one of the experiences we have is X high is great, but slow. So there's a lot of pondering and a lot of work when Codex GPT 5.4 goes X high, but the quality of the work for us has been excellent, especially when we want to have Codex check Claude's work, right? You do X high for all. And then lastly, Gemini. If you're like me, we all have a Google account. So therefore we get some Gemini, and you can now add the Gemini agent. We've really been happy. Big shout out to Joe, who got us to install the Gemini agent. So you can start your Gemini agent as well when you want access to Gemini. The Gemini agents right now are 2.5 Pro. After this call, I will just try to see if I can make sure that we are running the most current, because I know Gemini is at 3.1 right now. 2.5 Pro is great. It gets the job done. And again, this is for folks that, again, if you are looking to say, hey, I already have a Google account, I'd like to use my Gemini subscription, you can use your Gemini subscription. All right, and that's it. You get these three. I'll have some more videos looking at other skills. And again, if you're again on Seren and you're just curious about our skills, I recommend taking a look at our skills that we have today. They are refreshed daily. You get to see our skills are focused on generating income and revenue for knowledge workers. If you're a knowledge worker and you can set the agents to work for you while you are at work, this is Seren. And this is why you need Seren, and it's why you want Seren. Because we like to tell folks, as AI continues to automate your job, you will need to automate AI to find ways to make you money. It's going to happen. This is how you get ahead of it. This is how you get an edge, because your job, if you're a knowledge worker, will be automated away. Your hours will be limited, and you will find most likely that you will be replaced by AI. To anticipate and get ahead of that coming inevitability, have the AIs work to make you money. And these are the skills that we generate in our marketplace. Welcome to SerenDB, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks, everyone.